all. Jesus is calling, another devotion. The author writes, I meet you in the stillness of your soul. It is there that I will seek to commune with you. The person who is open to my presence is exceedingly precious to me. My eyes search to and fro throughout the earth, looking for one whose heart is seeking me. I see you trying to find me. Our mutual search results in joyful fulfillment. Stillness of soul is increasingly rare in this world, addicted to noise and speed. I am pleased with your desire to create a quiet place where you and I can meet. Don't be discouraged by the difficulty of achieving this goal. I monitor all your efforts, and I am blessed by each of your attempts to see my face. The noise and the speed of the world. In a manner of speaking, that's been taken away from us during this coronavirus thing. We're slowed down. We have this quiet time. So in this quiet time, isn't this a wonderful time to seek out God and to find out who God is in our lives? In the stillness. Psalm 23, He leads me beside still waters. Psalm 46, be still and know I am God. The stillness, the quiet is what we seek, and now we have it. Let's use it. Let's take this time in our lives to know who God is, to quietly seek Him. As I said in my sermon the other day, that the gospel is given to us on a silver platter when we come to church. But now that we can't be in church, we go out looking for God. We go out looking for the gospel. That's the core. Remember, I spoke the other day about the core. The gospel is our core. And in that silence, we can find new ways to hear God. When we're quiet, we can hear God speaking to us better. So that's my prayer for all of us today, that we have a way that we can find God in the stillness of our lives. Be still and know I am God, because God is found in the stillness. Enjoy this time away from the noise and the speed of our existence, to the quiet and slowness that we find ourselves in now. Amen. Have a blessed day. Someday I'll learn how to turn this thing off.